Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today as usual we have brought you another tutorial video regarding how you can remove your hidden songs from your Spotify playlist. But before we start with our video, do like our video, subscribe our channel, and yeah, to share this video with your friends and family. And yeah, let's dive into our tutorial. So you will just tap on your Spotify app, and once your app is open, you will just tap on the particular playlist that you have your songs hidden. And then as you can see, this first song in this playlist, you will see this little circle icon with horizontal line in it. You will see that, and that icon shows that that particular song is hidden. So all you can do is to remove it. Then you will just tap on this three dot icon, tap on it, and as you can see this option called hidden, tap on it again, and as you can see this song is now removed from hidden list. Tap on it, and yeah, this is it. So yeah, if you can just tap on any of the song, and again you will go to this option called hide this song, and you can hide it, and you can just tap again this three dot, and then you can again tap on this hidden option, and yeah, you can unhide your song like that also. So yeah, this is the way to unhide and remove your hidden songs from your Spotify playlist, and I hope this video has helped you so far. Do make sure to leave comments below regarding the topics that you would like to see the next, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time.